Many of you want to edit videos like Obaeda Korani, Smart Graphics, Grapexels, and plus, I'm doing my own editing like them as well. So in today's tutorial, we are going to cover it with these 3 steps. How to adjust the screen, how to record the screen, and how to edit it. In bonus, at the end of the video, I will give you a gift as well. So stay tuned. Now let's get started. Open your Photoshop and click on New File. I will give the HD screen size with 300 resolution. Hit Create. Choose the rectangle tool. Remember to select something like fill color. Disable the stroke. Click on anywhere on your screen. Then give the real width and height size. Hit OK, then adjust it. Remember, the corner should be snapped with the border of your document. That's looking fine now. Again, select the rectangle tool, change the fill color to something that you like and disable the stroke. Click anywhere on screen. Here we will give the Instagram portrait size. Hit OK, then adjust it. Remember the same point, it should be snapped with the border. You can see that's looking fine. Choose the rectangle tool, draw a rectangle. Change its color. Drag the layer down and create its clip-in mask. Select the tab tool and type the text. Change whatever you want. Now adjust it. Duplicate it and type the size. Similarly, do for Instagram portrait size. That's it. Now we will simply save it. Go to File, click on Export, then choose Save for Web. Remember, it should be JPG, then save it. So that's the step number 1, which is done. Let's move towards the second step, that is how to record the screen. So let's get back to the video. Now we have to set that picture as a background on desktop. That's the real size and that's the Instagram portrait size. Open the Photoshop. Adjust it on the real size area. There you go. I'm using OBS for my recordings. Open it and click on Start Recording. Let me open the picture that we are going to use. You can remove these extra tabs. Adjust everything according to real screen. I'm going to do the recording quickly. Stop the recording. Now everything is done. 2 important steps are done. It's time to go with how to edit it. Let me tell you, I will be using Adobe Premiere Pro and Camtasia for video editing. Let's get back to the video. Open your Adobe Premiere Pro. Then open the project. Go to File, click on New, choose the new sequence. Go to Settings tab. Remember to select the 60 FPS for better quality. Change the frame size into a real size. Hit OK. Import the recording. Drag it to the timeline. click on Keep Existing Setting. Select the audio and then delete it. Now select the video layer, go to Effects Control, increase the scale. Change the position as well. Select the razor tool and delete all extra recording. Keep selecting and keep deleting. It's time to export it. Go to Export tab, set the location and then rename it. At the end, click on Export. It's time to open the camtasia. Import the video. We will delete the old one. Drag the video to the timeline. Let me show you the project settings. Again, remember the frame rate should be 60 fps and you can check the size. I will create a cut where it's important for me. Here is one important tip for you. Select both clips and add clip speed. Here I will suggest you to set this first clip into 3 seconds. The important steps are about to begin. Choose the first clip, go to Animation, add the zoom. You have to do it from the anchor points at the corner and adjust it. You can check the zoom, but we have to adjust it. Here is the result. We are going to slice the clip so that in some points we can add the speed. Select the clip and make it little fast. I will slice the next clip and speed it up. It's time to play with the zoom. Select all slices, then group it. Check the important time that you want to zoom, then zoom it. Let me show you how. Now I will do other zoomings quickly. It's time to select all these zoom arrows. Then hold Shift and drag it to the right, so it will create some speed. If you want to adjust the zoom, you can do it. I'm going to delete the extra clip again. Let's export it. Now go back to the Premiere Pro. Import the video that we just exported. Drag it to the timeline and delete the old video and its audio too. Well, Now it's time to give you the gift that I promised. Whatever type of element that I'm gonna use are available in description except my end screen. So now let's get back to the video. Guys, here we will embed that cross animation. Let's embed it. Pick it and use it properly. This is how it will look like. It's time to delete the extra areas. Embed the end screen. Pick it up and use it there. Last, not the least, is to import the audio. Let me tell you, I'm using the trending audios for my short videos. Drag it to the timeline, then play it. You can check everything according to the video. At the end, I will add my subscription button so that nobody can copy it. And even if you want this kind of end screen, let me know in the comment section so I will create a special tutorial on this, how I create it in Adobe Premiere Pro. It's time to export it. Set the location, rename it, and then export it. That's it. So guys, if you want to download the Photoshop beta, click on the right side tutorial. For now, like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.